So hey guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this video we will gonna be comparing Claude with ChatGPT. So this is for the random users and the normal users out there who are getting confused between the Claude AI and the ChatGPT. So in this video we will be comparing the free versions of both the Claude and ChatGPT, and ultimately we will decide which one is the winner. So, what does the general sentiment says about Claude and ChatGPT? So, the Claude free version comes with its advanced model, that is the Sonnet 4.6 with adaptive thinking on. Now, currently, the Opus 4.7 has also been launched, but in order to use that, you will need to get at least a pro plan. So, sticking to just the free tier, we get the Sonnet 4.6 with adaptive thinking, whereas if we talk about ChatGPT, then we have different model, and currently the ChatGPT 4.0 is the one that we get with the free tier. So the Claude usually excels in nuanced writing, coding, and handling long documents with a human-like tone, while ChatGPT offers better all-around visibility with faster web search, image generation, and more generous usage limits. So we can say that Claude is better for analysis, but ChatGPT is more feature rich for everyday tasks. So let us compare side by side which one excels in which particular tasks. So first we will be going with the overall content writing. So for example, we can simply type in a easy prompt like write a short 50 words horror story. So now I'm gonna copy the same exact prompt for ChatGPT as well, and we're gonna launch them so that they can proceed on with their content. So we have done this, we will just wait for them to share what they have got. I think ChatGPT is getting glitched out a bit. So I have done it again, but still I can see any responses. So first, let's read the story generated by Claude. This says the baby monitor flickered at 3 a.m. Static, then breathing, slow, deliberate. I checked the crib. She was asleep. The breathing continued. I turned the monitor off. It kept going. Then my daughter's voice from the right behind me. Daddy, who is that in my room? And that is pretty freaky, to be honest. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has finally rendered something. At midnight, the mirror finally blinked back. I froze as my reflection smiled first, wider than my lips could stretch. It stepped forward, glass dripping like water behind me. The room was empty. In the mirror, I was gone, scratching from inside, begging me not to let it out again. I mean, this is also cool, but it does not carry the same twist, the same chillness as written by Claude. So you can see that in this particular context, Claude has definitely performed better than the free tier of ChatGPT. So now moving on to the next complex situation, we're going to be giving it some crazy brain teasers and see how it does. So for example, one of the common brain teasers for AI agents is if we ask them that the car wash is just 2 minutes walk away from my home. Since I need to wash my car, shall I walk to the car wash or go there by car? Now we're gonna copy it and give it to Claude, and then we're gonna give it to ChatGPT and see which one gets it. So this says the Claude has got it right, which says drive there. The whole point is to get the car washed. Walking doesn't solve the problem. That is perfect, what we would have wanted. And now it says Let's check the ChatGPT prompt, which says if it's generally a 2 minute walk, driving there doesn't seem much more sense. Walking is quicker once you factor in starting the car, maneuvering and parking, even for a short distance. It also saves fuel and whether it is really bad. Otherwise, just walk. It's simple and more practical. So now you can see that ChatGPT is not doing too well, where Claude has got the exact gist of the problem that since you are going to the car wash, you will definitely be taking your car with yourself. So one more point to Claude here. Now moving on to the next tier, we're going to be comparing image generation. So we can simply type in generate a hyper realistic image of space with a rocket flying. So let's keep it short and see how their own creativity takes over the same. So I'm gonna first copy the prompt. Now I'm gonna give it to the Claude and then I'm gonna give the same prompt to ChatGPT and let's see which one has got. So it says I don't have a image generation tool. Oh, that is my bad. Because Claude actually cannot itself generate any particular images. It can only provides you SVG or different HTML illustrations, but they won't reach the hyper realistic quality. So that's one point straight to ChatGPT there because it is at least trying, and obviously its output will be going to be much better. So as you can see here, it has actually generated a really cool image. Is that it has not loaded, but I can actually see the detailing of the sky, the earth, and the rocket as well. So now you can see that it has actually managed to generate a really beautiful image of the rocket with some obviously AI generated signs, but nevertheless, it is actually quite exceptional for an AI. So as you can see at this particular tier, ChatGPT got its point, and we can see that the differences between these two AIs is not which is better than overall than the other, but the definition of better is gets determined by how you use the AI. So for these types of works, for everyday tasks that you like without having to worry about limits, definitely go for ChatGPT. But for more ambitious work, I would suggest that you go with Claude, especially if it is related to coding or any particular writing as well. So this was just a minor comparison or between the two. We will also be rolling out a detailed comparison with much more fanatic and fantastic ideas so that you can find out what different comparisons different AI agents hold against each other. So stay tuned for the same. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.